My name is Nimish and I present before you Team Phoenix. In Team Phoenix, we have built a database management CLI tool that allows us to work with databases in the form of branches, just like how Git works. Let me give you a brief description of all the commands that are running inside it. So inside this, as you can see, My-DBCLI is its name. My-DBCLI has these all functionalities: apply migration, create branch, create a migration, create table, delete a branch, describe a table, drop a table. It can even list branches for you. It can list tables, merge branch, migrate down, migrate up, migration status, the overall status of the database, the studio, which is the most fascinating part, and the switch branch functionality. So I have started my studio, which I have used the Streamlit, which is basically used for showing the content of this application. So in it, I just created a branch named HDF final. I clicked on create branch and it created this branch for me. As you can see above my main, there is HDF final. Now I need to switch to this branch. I'll click on HDF final, I'll click on switch. So I'll get switched over to the HDF final. As you can see, the current branch is now HDF final. Now let me start by creating a migration. Add table, add table schema. Let me create a migration. So as soon as this migration is created in the logs, I'll be able to see that, okay, this is a pending one. Now I have to edit the SQL codes. Here comes the most fascinating part that I can ask Gemini. Let me use the Gemini API key for running into Streamlit. Okay. Now inside this, I can head over to SQL Assistant, in which I'll ask it, give me SQL query to create employee table, create simple employee table, and write reverse query also. Okay, so in it, I have just to copy this. I'll head over to my migrations. Quickly, I'll just head over to migrations. So in it, I'll just copy paste the reverse query of it. Now on my Streamlit app, I'll head over to migrations again, and I'll apply the next migration here. So as I click on next, apply next migration, you will see that this migration got applied. And even if I look up to my PHP MyAdmin for viewing it, so inside MyDB HDF final, you will see the table for employees got created in it. So this is how, being inside a particular branch, I'm able to manage different migrations in an isolated manner. Also in Ask Gemini, I'll ask it to perform a particular data science for me for a particular table. Let me run this analysis for employees. So since it doesn't have any row, so right now it is giving me all the columns in it. Or if I go for schema migration, it will give me the statistics of it. Thank you so much for watching this video.